Selamat datang di channel orang pemalas ini. Mohon di subscribe ya, biar dia semangat buat video lagi. Kan kasihan subscribernya baru sedikit, gak punya uang pula.
Can you hear my voice? Coming through the noise. I'm floating through outer space. I'm lost and I can't find a way. Oh, all the lights going dark and my hopes destroyed. Help me, is anybody there? Save me, I'm running out of air. Calling out Mayday. Calling out Mayday. It's so dark out here in space. And it's been so long since I've seen a face. My eyes are shut but I can see the void between you and me. And I feel like I'm going insane. Help me, is anybody there? Save me, I'm running out of air. Calling out Mayday. Calling out Mayday. Far from the sun, beyond stars, I hear their song. They're coming closer, talking without sound, calling me home. Calling out Mayday. Calling out Mayday. Save me, I'm running out of air. I'm running out of air. I'm running out of air. I'm running out of
No, there ain't no stopping us. Fly without boarding pass. Couldn't catch me, I'll be moving fast. Call me a shooting star. Let 'em know who you are. Flying up in a bar. Wish on a star. Time to show 'em who's in charge. Call me a shooting star. Shooting stars. too far. Get it right. Looking at a shooting star. Got more than a couple of people going mad. I swear they're rooting hard. Tell them I be big in the game like she went and got them breast implants. I said I'm moving too fast.
Dasar pemalas bikin video gak jelas. Tapi teman-teman jangan lupa subscribe channel ini ya sampai tembus 1000 subscribe biar dia makin malas lagi buat video. Hahaha. Terima kasih sudah menonton sampai selesai video ini. Sampai jumpa lagi di video berikutnya.
When I turn up, then I just have to leave.